how to share mobile screen on laptop or PC. So if you want to share your mobile screen on your laptop or PC, then I'll show you those steps. So the first thing you should keep in mind is your laptop or phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, once you've connected to the same Wi-Fi, you need to come to your PC or your laptop and then right click on Windows, and here you will have these kind of options. So you just need to simply go for the option which is settings. Under settings, you need to go for the system. Under system, here on the right side, you will have a bunch of options. Scroll down and you will have an option of projecting to this PC. So here, if you don't have this kind of interface, or if you don't have these options, and if you're having an option of this device doesn't support receiving any cast, so you can't project it wirelessly. So if you have that kind of options, then it might be because of an update. So if you have not updated your PC or your laptop, then simply go for update and update your PC. And you can also check your network drivers. Make sure that your network drivers are also up to date. And the other thing you can do is you need to simply press the Windows and P button at the same time. And here you will get this kind of interface where what you need to do is you just need to simply go for more display settings, which is on the bottom left. And here it will give you this kind of interface. You need to simply scroll down and choose multiple displays option. And here, if you have an option of connect to a wireless display, then you just need to simply click on connect. Once you click on connect, it might take some time to load. And once it loads, you can simply go back and remove that and then again go with your settings. So open up your settings, go for the system again, scroll down and go for projecting to this PC, and here you will have this kind of interface. And if you also don't have the wireless display option, then you can simply go for add optional features, which might be here on the upper side of your screen. And you can simply go for optional features and add a feature which is wireless display, or you can install that action. And now, if you have this kind of interface, then you just need to simply go for the first option, which is some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when say it's okay. So you need to simply go for the drop down and then choose an option which is available everywhere. And then go for the second option, which is asked to project to this PC. And again, go for the drop down bar and choose first time only. And under required pin for pairing, you need to choose never so that it will be easy for you to pair. And once you've done these, now you need to simply go for launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. So simply click on it, and here you will have this kind of interface. And you need to go with your mobile device, and under your mobile device you will have many options. So in some devices you may have an option of mirror cast or smart view or share cast or wireless display or anything like that. So if you have those options, you need to simply choose the option of mirror cast or any cast. And once you choose that option, it will ask you to tap on agree and continue. So you just need to simply tap on agree and continue on your mobile device. And once you tap on it, you need to tap on turn on, and then you can allow all of the things that is asking for you to connect to your laptop or your PC. Once you've done, it will scan your device, and then once it's scanned, you will have your device name on your mobile phone, and then you can connect to your device wirelessly. So that's how you can connect your mobile device to your laptop or your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.